Today we're diving into the fascinating world of semiconductor packaging, focusing on the evolution from traditional methods to advanced 2.5D and 3D packaging technologies. Packaging plays a crucial role in protecting chips and ensuring their performance. As electronic devices become more powerful and compact, the way we package these tiny components has had to evolve. In this video, we'll explore what sets traditional packaging apart from the newer, more advanced 2.5D and 3D approaches and why these innovations matter for the future of electronics. Traditional semiconductor packaging refers to methods like wire bonding and lead frames, which have been industry standards for decades. These techniques involve connecting the silicon die to a substrate using fine wires, then encapsulating the assembly for protection. While reliable and cost-effective, traditional packaging faces limitations as chips become smaller and more complex. The need for higher performance and integration has pushed the industry to seek new solutions. Let's look at how these conventional methods set the stage for more advanced packaging technologies. As devices shrink and demand more power, traditional packaging methods struggle to keep up. The physical limitations of wire bonding, such as longer electrical paths and increased resistance, can hinder performance. Additionally, these packages often can't support the high-density integration required by modern applications like smartphones and AI chips. This has led engineers to search for innovative ways to stack and connect chips more efficiently, paving the way for advanced packaging solutions. To overcome these challenges, the industry has developed advanced packaging techniques like 2.5D and 3D integration. These methods allow for higher density, better performance, and more efficient use of space. By stacking chips vertically or placing them side by side on an interposer, engineers can achieve faster data transfer and lower power consumption. Advanced packaging is now essential for cutting-edge electronics, from high-performance computers to compact mobile devices. 2.5D packaging is a step beyond traditional methods. It involves mounting multiple chips side by side on a silicon interposer, which acts as a high-speed communication bridge. This approach allows for greater integration and improved signal transmission compared to wire bonding. 2.5D packaging is especially useful for applications that require high bandwidth and low latency, such as graphics cards and data center processors. It's a practical solution for combining different types of chips in a single package. Main advantage of 2.5D packaging is its ability to connect multiple chips with short high-speed links. This reduces signal loss and power consumption, leading to better overall performance. 2.5D packaging also makes it easier to mix and match different chip technologies, such as memory and logic, in a single module. This flexibility is driving innovation in fields like artificial intelligence and high-performance computing. 3D packaging takes integration to the next level by stacking chips vertically, one on top of another. This is achieved using technologies like through-silicon vias, TSVs, which create direct electrical connections between layers. 3D packaging enables even higher density and faster communication between chips, making it ideal for advanced applications like AI accelerators and high-speed memory. This approach is revolutionizing how we build powerful, compact electronic systems. 3D packaging, chips can communicate directly through vertical connections, minimizing signal delay and maximizing speed. This architecture allows for greater functionality in a smaller footprint, which is crucial for modern electronics. 3D packaging also helps reduce power consumption and heat generation, making devices more efficient. As a result, it's becoming a key technology for everything from smartphones to data centers. While both 2.5D and 3D packaging offer significant improvements over traditional methods, they serve different needs. 2.5D is great for integrating multiple chips side by side, while 3D excels at stacking chips vertically for maximum density. The choice depends on the application, performance requirements, and cost considerations. Understanding these differences helps engineers select the right solution for each project. Despite the rise of advanced packaging, traditional methods are still widely used in many applications. They're ideal for cost-sensitive products and devices that don't require high-speed data transfer, such as household appliances and basic electronics. The simplicity and reliability of traditional packaging make it a practical choice for many manufacturers, especially where performance demands are moderate. 2.5D packaging is commonly found in high-performance computing, networking equipment, and advanced graphics cards. Its ability to integrate multiple chips with high-speed connections makes it perfect for demanding tasks like data processing and AI workloads. As technology advances, 2.5D packaging is becoming more prevalent in consumer electronics as well. 3D packaging shines in applications that require maximum performance and miniaturization, such as smartphones, high-speed memory, and AI accelerators. By stacking chips vertically, manufacturers can pack more functionality into smaller spaces, enabling the next generation of smart devices. This technology is also crucial for data centers and cloud computing infrastructure. Cost is a major factor when choosing a packaging method. Traditional packaging remains the most affordable option, making it suitable for mass-market products. However, as the need for higher performance grows, the investment in 2.5D and 3D packaging becomes worthwhile. While advanced packaging is more expensive, it offers significant benefits in terms of speed, power efficiency, and integration. When it comes to performance, advanced packaging methods like 2.5D and 3D clearly outshine traditional techniques. They enable faster data transfer, lower power consumption, and greater integration. For applications where speed and efficiency are critical, these advanced solutions are the preferred choice. However, traditional packaging still holds its ground in less demanding environments. Advanced packaging methods require more sophisticated manufacturing processes. 2.5D and 3D packaging involve precise alignment, advanced materials, and complex assembly steps. This increases production costs and demands higher technical expertise. In contrast, traditional packaging is simpler and easier to scale for large volumes. Managing heat is a critical challenge in semiconductor packaging. 3D packaging with its stacked chips can generate more heat in a smaller space, requiring advanced cooling solutions. 2.5D packaging offers better thermal performance than 3D, but both are more demanding than traditional methods. Effective thermal management is essential to ensure reliability and longevity. Traditional packaging excels in scalability, making it ideal for high-volume production. Advanced packaging methods, while offering superior performance, are more challenging to scale due to their complexity and higher costs. As manufacturing technologies improve, we can expect advanced packaging to become more accessible for a wider range of products. Reliability is a key consideration in packaging. Traditional methods are well understood and proven over decades of use. Advanced packaging, while offering better performance, introduces new reliability challenges due to increased complexity and tighter integration. Ongoing research aims to improve the robustness of 2.5D and 3D solutions. Advanced packaging methods offer greater design flexibility, allowing engineers to combine different types of chips and functions in a single package. This is especially valuable for custom solutions and high-performance applications. Traditional packaging is more limited in this regard, but remains suitable for simpler designs. Future of semiconductor packaging is moving toward even more advanced integration. Technologies like chiplets, heterogeneous integration, and advanced interconnects are on the horizon. These innovations will further blur the lines between 2.5D and 3D packaging, enabling even more powerful and efficient devices. Environmental considerations are becoming increasingly important in packaging decisions. Advanced packaging methods can reduce material usage and energy consumption by enabling smaller, more efficient devices. However, their complex manufacturing processes may introduce new environmental challenges. Sustainable practices are essential for the industry's future. Leading semiconductor companies are rapidly adopting advanced packaging techniques to stay competitive. Major players are investing in research and development to push the boundaries of what's possible. As these technologies mature, we can expect broader adoption across the electronics industry. Despite their advantages, advanced packaging methods face several challenges. These include higher costs, manufacturing complexity, and reliability concerns. Overcoming these hurdles will require continued innovation and collaboration across the industry. Automation is playing a growing role in advanced packaging manufacturing. Automated processes improve precision, reduce errors, and lower costs over time. As packaging technologies become more complex, automation will be key to maintaining quality and efficiency. Testing and quality control are critical in both traditional and advanced packaging. As integration increases, so does the need for rigorous testing to ensure reliability and performance. Advanced packaging requires new testing methods to address the unique challenges of 2.5D and 3D structures. The shift to advanced packaging affects the entire supply chain. New materials, equipment, and expertise are required, leading to changes in sourcing and logistics. Companies must adapt quickly to stay competitive in this evolving landscape. As packaging technology advances, the demand for skilled workers grows. Engineers and technicians must learn new skills to design, manufacture, and test advanced packages. Ongoing education and training are essential for keeping up with industry trends. Advanced packaging is a global race, with companies around the world competing to develop the best solutions. Innovation, investment, and collaboration are key to staying ahead. As the market grows, we can expect even more breakthroughs in packaging technology. To sum up, traditional packaging is cost-effective and reliable but limited in performance and integration. 2.5D packaging offers high-speed connections and flexibility, while 3D packaging delivers maximum density and performance. The choice depends on the specific needs of each application, balancing cost, complexity, and performance. As technology continues to advance, packaging will play an even more critical role in shaping the future of electronics. The ongoing evolution from traditional to advanced packaging methods will enable smarter, faster, and more efficient devices. Staying informed about these trends is essential for anyone interested in the world of semiconductors.